I've been studying the new economy for about 5 years as a documentary director. I've done lots and lots of research on this new economy. Understanding it is going to solve a lot of problems in your business, your life, and the lives of your clients. As I like to explain to people how important it is that you understand the gig economy, let me use a short metaphor about a tax preparer. Let's say it's your tax preparer, and you go to them this coming year. We've just had a huge tax bill change here in the United States. Imagine if you went to your tax preparer and said, "Wow, are you really up to speed on this new tax bill?" And he looks at you and says, "What new tax bill?" If you're smart, you're going to run out of that office. Well, likewise, you need to be prepared about the new economy, or you're really not acting ethically by not giving good current information to your client. So it's vitally important that you really understand this new economy, not only for your business, but the business of everybody that you serve as a coach or a consultant or whatever it is that you're doing. It's vitally important that you really understand it. So I want to give you a couple of tips. There's a thing, and hopefully you know about Google Alerts, but if you go to search Google Alerts, they'll come up. And a couple of things, you can type in gig economy, you can type in on-demand economy, you can type in on-demand gig economy, and then all the top news sources, Forbes, Fortune, Entrepreneur, Harvard Business Review, even the Federal Reserve Bank is saying it's vitally important to fully understand and transition to the new economy. The Federal Reserve Bank is even saying they need to restructure the Fed in order to accommodate the requirements of this new economy. So when we ask you to be current about this new economy, we're giving you a heads up. We're doing you a big favor that this is something you really do need to be current about. And so when you talk about your business, talk about the new economy so you can show people you're current, you're up to speed. You know what you're talking about. Plus, it is the singular biggest competitive advantage that you can have for your practice, whatever you do in this new economy. So learn it, understand it, share information about it, and we'll all profit from the new money opportunities and resources in the new economy, if you know about them. You'll see beyond a doubt there's irrefutable evidence and arguments that the gig economy is the future of wealth and work in America and globally.